Alright, so today we're going to be going over how to install your cell phone for the hands-free device in the Volvo VNL. It's going to be pretty similar in all the trucks. We've got, I think this one's our oldest at 2014 all the way up to 2019. So it's all going to be relatively the same. I'm going to hit menu, come down to where it says hands-free, hit OK, make sure your Bluetooth's on, go down to add a phone. It may kick you back out or take you to the original screen like this one, but on whatever phone that you're using, it'll pull up, it'll say either hands-free or Volvo truck while it's under the searching mode. Once it pops up that it's found it, it's going to ask you for a PIN. That PIN number is going to be the number 0 entered 4 times. So 0 0 0 0. You're going to hit connect, and once it's connected, then obviously you'll be able to use it. So it'll pop up like this: 0 0 0 0. Gonna hit. There you go. It's gonna ask if you want to sync contacts. Just for this one, I'm gonna hit don't allow. And now you can see that the phone is hooked up. Alright, so you are now good to use the steering wheel hands-free, or if it's voice activated, answering system. And that's going to do it.